Thank you. We idolize each other. Ewan ko kung naniniwala kayo kay Nals na hindi siya ready. Bit-bit niya ang kanyang pamilya dito. Yeah. Hi, Nals. Ganyan kami. Nag-enjoy pag nag-enjoy si Nals. Well, we were asked to share ano yung naramdaman talaga namin. And naisip when we heard the news, when Kuya Chris broke the news to us. Pero prior to that, may mga chismis na among sa aming tatlo eh. Haka-haka. Mga kung saan-saan, mga tanong-tanong. But when I received that text from Kuya Chris, diretso galing sa kanya. Yun nga, it was, he was appointed and we have to treat it with confidentiality. Yun. Ang text ko kay Kuya Chris, sabi ko, woohoo, parang ganon. Pero, well, personally, I rejoice with Kuya Chris and Ate Marlene because this is from God. No. Sabi ko ron, God is sovereign. And yun lang ang tinext ko kay Kuya Chris. I think parang He will see us through. But as I process anong effect nun sa akin, as part of the leadership team ni Kuya Chris, may konting may konting parang, bakit? Or parang, ano ba yung naramdaman ko? Nakalimutan ko na. Parang something like betrayal. Parang iniwan. Abandonment. Because feeling ko nagsisimula pa lang kami as a leadership team. Where we are experiencing some success and a lot of challenges and a lot of God's grace. Sabi ko, bakit this time? But ngayon? And so, sabi ko, and yun, parang our leader will be leaving us. And we know he'll be in a better place. And he will experience glory. Abundance, no? So, ba't siya lang? Kala ko ba shared leadership ito? Siya lang. Pangalawa, I felt na, I thought na, sabi ko, kala ko communication is important sa amin. So, I felt like, parang naisolo, parang nung sinabi na sa amin, medyo yun na, tapos na, appointed na. So I was just trying to process my feelings, my thoughts about this transition, this change, and the appointment of Kuya Chris. And I felt God's peace. I praise God dahil nag-retreat kami. At pag nakakausap ko sila, Kuya Effie, kaming tatlo, without Kuya, at the back of Kuya Chris, hindi niya alam, nag-uusap-usap kami. Nakakatulong, really understanding God's hand in all this change and process. And I'm thankful how we as a team is responding and how the Lord is speaking to me and to me and to us as a team. And nakita namin yun nga, really the Lord is sovereign. And I thank Kuya Tom for just giving us that right perspective sa change na to and what he shared kanina. Shinare niya rin sa retreat namin na really God called us and magbabago yung roles, but God's calling will not change. So, yun ang naramdaman ko. But now I'm excited. May peace, may overwhelming peace that God is the one leading us. And yun nga, I praise God sa team na how we are responding dito sa bagong assignment natin for Kuya Chris and for Nalds and for us as a team. So